For more than half a century, the Boeing E-4B, affectionately and ominously known as the Doomsday Plane, has loomed large in the tapestry of American military resilience. Conceived in the 1970s, this modified 747-200 served as a flying fortress of command and control, capable of carrying the President, Secretary of Defense, and top military leadership if all ground infrastructure were destroyed in catastrophe. Built to be impervious to electromagnetic pulses, nuclear blast effects, and communications blackouts, the E-4B offered an airborne sanctuary, a mobile National Airborne Operations Center that could function indefinitely, far from any terrestrial vulnerability. But time has not been kind. Aging airframes, spiraling maintenance demands, and outdated avionics have taken their toll. A new generation was inevitable, a more flexible, survivable, and modern airborne command hub that could continue the mission with renewed vigor. Enter the E-4C SAOC, the Survivable Airborne Operations Center, born from modern necessity and designed to keep America's leadership connected even when all else fails. The transition from E-4B to E-4C marks more than a generational upgrade. It represents a paradigm shift. The E-4C is based on the Boeing 747-8 platform, a stretched and modern variant offering superior range, payload, fuel efficiency, and overall performance compared to its predecessor. Sierra Nevada Corporation, having secured 5 used Boeing 747-8Is from Korean Air, set out to transform these commercial airliners into hardened, mission-ready SAOCs. As of early to mid-2025, 4 of these airframes had already been delivered to the Aviation Innovation and Technology Center in Dayton, Ohio, with modifications well underway. These conversions are no mere retrofits. Each aircraft is being reinforced to endure radiation, electromagnetic pulses, and nuclear effects. They're being outfitted with the state-of-the-art secured communication systems, high-bandwidth satellite links, modular mission suites, and aerial refueling capabilities, features essential for sustaining command operations in the most extreme environments. In April 2024, the U.S. Air Force awarded Sierra Nevada Corporation a $13 billion contract to engineer, build, and deliver the SAOC fleet, one of the largest single contracts in SNC's 6-decade history. Crucially, Boeing, the original 747 manufacturer and longtime partner in the E-4 program, had withdrawn from the competition in late 2023, leaving SNC as the sole contractor. This shift marked a significant milestone, elevating SNC from a specialist modifier to a key player in large-scale defense platforms. The contract encompasses not only aircraft conversions, but also ground systems, sustainment, logistics, and testing infrastructure. Work is slated to continue through July 2026, with full delivery of the SAOC fleet expected within that timeframe.
Sierra Nevada moved swiftly to support such a massive undertaking. New hangars were opened at Dayton, and construction began on 2 more, ensuring sufficient infrastructure to carry multiple aircraft through complex modifications simultaneously. The SAOC program isn't an isolated effort. SNC partnered with major aerospace and defense contributors, including Collins Aerospace, GE Aerospace for engine upgrades, Rolls-Royce, Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, Wichita State University's NIAR, and Greenpoint Technologies, creating a robust industrial support network. Within weeks of the contract award, SNC had received its first Boeing 747-8I. By April 2025, all 4 airframes were at Dayton, primed for conversion. On August 7, 2025, SNC's SAOC program realized its first major milestone, the inaugural test flight of an E-4C prototype over Dayton, Ohio. This launch signaled the start of a comprehensive flight and ground testing campaign extending into 2026, designed to confirm engineering assumptions and build a firm technical baseline before full-scale system installation begins. This proactive testing approach reflects SNC's strategy: Mitigate risks early to minimize costly issues later. Since entering service in the early 1970s, the E-4B became the tangible backbone of U.S. Airborne Command Authority. It featured EMP-resistant analog avionics, secure satellite communications, autonomous extended airborne operation, and space for top national leaders. It could issue emergency action messages and direct U.S. strategic forces even after a devastating attack. But the reliance on outdated systems, rare replacement parts, and rising operational costs made the E-4B's retirement inevitable. The E-4C SAOC preserves this mission while introducing revolutionary improvements. Modular open systems architecture for rapid upgrades, advanced shielding and hardened avionics to survive nuclear and EMP scenarios, aerial refueling for prolonged airborne missions, greater onboard capacity for staff and systems, made possible by the larger 747-8i. At its core, the SAOC program is a shield of deterrence, guaranteeing that American leadership can remain in control under any circumstance, including nuclear war or total ground-based collapse. With one E-4 aircraft airborne at all times and others on immediate alert, the fleet has long guaranteed uninterrupted command authority. The E-4C will carry this mission forward seamlessly, preserving America's decision-making capability during crises. The program's industrial dynamics also mark a turning point in defense procurement, showcasing the rise of agile companies like SNC taking on monumental national security projects. Looking ahead, testing will continue through 2026, with initial operational capability expected by 2028, and the program completing full delivery by 2036. In the unforgiving theater of modern warfare, where nuclear threats, cyber disruptions, and electromagnetic attacks loom, continuity of command isn't just doctrine, it's survival. The E-4C SAOC stands as America's airborne insurance policy, a flying citadel, always alert, always adaptive. From its robust 747-8i platform to its hardened shielding, modular architecture, and round-the-clock readiness, the E-4C is more than a successor. It is a reinvention of airborne command for the 21st century. The program's rapid progress, contract in 2024, hangars and deliveries in 2025, first flight by August of the same year, demonstrates a rare alignment of urgency and innovation. No matter the threats of tomorrow, America's command center will never be grounded.